Hello, this is Lucas with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. This beautiful boat I am standing on here is the brand new 2024 SLX 280 from Sea Ray. The SLX 280 gives you a beautiful sun pad in the back. You do have your manual swim step here that will fold down to water level. Underneath the seating back here, of course, is a beautiful Mercury engine. Walking into the seating, main seating here behind the helm, you have a large L shape to give you plenty more seating for your guest. Cup holders is never going to be an issue. Plenty of seating right behind the driver. You have a nice pull-out fridge. Walking in, you have a single captain chair on the passenger side, and you have your dual passenger chair here in front of the helm. The helm is beautiful. You'll see dual SIM-rad screens, your own phone charger tucked out here in the corner. The passenger even has their own tucked in phone charger back there in the corner. You do have the head in front of the passenger. Walking forward, you have plenty of space in this beautiful bow. The armrests do fold up and down, so you can see how they are up and why they are resting. Got the anchor off the nose. Turning around, looking back here. This is a power tower, it will fold down. Looking closely up here, you do have the extended sunshade, so this will stretch out over the rear there for you. This beautiful boat today is for sale here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Ask for Lucas and give us a call.